Let's take a 2-minute trip to Mars. Mankind explores Mars using rovers, and for engineering these, a deep understanding of materials plays an important role, as we will see now. One big challenge is that a Mars rover has to withstand energetic particle radiation. It is important to understand how this impacts the electronics inside the rover. Computer simulations are attractive to study scenarios like this, where experiments are expensive and dangerous. They can explore microscopic length and timescales where quantum mechanics is important. Density functional theory and its time-dependent version are accurate methods that approximate the equations of quantum mechanics and allow us to understand the interaction of electrons and nuclei in materials. The first example shows how a defect in a semiconductor is influenced by radiation. Defects are always present in materials, and if they accumulate, they permanently damage solar cells or computer chips. In this simulation, a high-energy proton, shown in blue, passes near an oxygen vacancy in magnesium oxide. By observing how the electrons near the vacancy respond, we can determine how quickly the defect grows. The second clip shows the proton exiting the material and exciting some electrons, shown in neon green, from the material into vacuum. For thin materials, the ion itself, shown in pink, carries away electrons, which are shown in red. This helps us understand how electrons in the material respond to the impact, helping us engineer radiation-resistant materials and better electronics. Another challenge of the Mars rover is its power supply, because solar cells need to be light and efficient. Developing new materials requires understanding the processes that occur when they absorb light. Absorption of light quanta in solar cells creates excited electron-hole pairs. Simulating this process helps predict how much light of a given color is absorbed, transmitted, and reflected. Exploring this for many materials allows us to find those that work best for solar cells. We can also address challenges that come with space travel, such as weight, or optimize materials for other optical applications. In summary, this video illustrated several challenges in modern material science that can be addressed by modeling excited electronic states.
Mankind pushes boundaries every day, and materials science and engineering makes it possible.